Today's video is going to be a street advice, the unconventional one. To me, that is the real advice. It represents the reality on the ground. If you have been to a bank before, you know that people or some people get preferential treatment and others, well, you know what I'm talking about. This is not to get in your feels and get all emotional about it. It's actually a thing. Even you in your small shop, when you have a customer that buys a lot of things or that spends a lot, there is some kind of treatment you give them so they'll keep coming, right? This is no different from insurance companies. They use a method called profiling. In simple terms, this helps them to, group their customers based on their age, their needs, their gender, etc. This helps them to, produce the right products or, just basically how to serve them well based on these categories. But fortunately or unfortunately, some profiles are higher and others are a bit lower on the scale. So imagine it was from 1 to 100, some are at 100 and others are also beginners. Those that are usually in the higher profile are celebrities, political figures, big businessmen and so on. But most importantly, for insurance companies are those who pay and have very low risk. High profile customers, they usually pay a lot of money, which you may not be willing to spend. So how do you break that? How do you become a high profile person to an underwriter or anybody in the insurance industry? You need to become their friend, okay? So you go there, you engage them. Trust me, they want to be your friend more than you want to be a friend. We deal with targets, okay? We have targets for the month, targets for the year, targets for the quarter. So people are trying to meet their targets in there. And if you go there and you try to befriend them, they will loosen up. Even if initially they try to be stiff and all of that. Wherever you're buying your insurance policy from, try to have a friend either in the office, the back office, wherever. Find a friend in there. I don't know how you're going to do it, but try and get a friend in there. It will make your work a whole lot easier. You have to renew your policy, or maybe the police arrested you or they stopped you because your insurance has expired. You have somebody you can quickly call and then have them do it even before you pay. That is how it's done. You don't need to have a lot of money to fit in the high profile. Just have a friend in there. If you think that this is just a theory and you don't believe it, you try it on me. You know the number to call, 0247 429277. Test it on me and see if you will have a friend.